My name is Jon Coners. I'm the Senior Manufacturing Manager here at Bega. Been here about 5 years, and this is our first robot. Just like every other company, particularly through the pandemic, we struggled with labor shortages, and so that was certainly one of the things that we looked at as we were evaluating different solutions for our same. Our biggest concern was our part mix was very high. How were we going to enable ourselves to be able to do all the programming required? From all of the part mix that we were looking at, it seemed like a very daunting task. Let's put it that way, and we would probably end up having to add staff in order to do the programming, instead of either staying staff neutral or being able to put some part of our workforce somewhere else. The reduction of having to worry about programming each part individually and having just a broader ability to take a component or a group of components and have really one kind of program, right? That was very simple to make, and then being able to not worry so much about having such a fixed setup. You can move parts around and the robot's going to look again, or you can turn that off and just have it repeat as you need. So this is our first foray into robotics. We had to have a partner that was going to be there for us. And so far, GrayMatter has stepped up to the plate at every point through system design, helping us with how we should look at setups, the training, designing the system to fit our parts and our process, even coming out and surveying for safety and making sure that the system was going to be safe in our environment. Again, just taking the load off the operators is really important. We've not had a reportable injury. I think one benefit of just having a robot like this in here is being able to see the capabilities of it in a really high mix, low volume environment.